Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to cover loops, how to write loops in Python and how we can iterate over them. So let's see the various way of iterating over loops. So let me open my code. I have written a file called loops.py. So the basic principle of looping in Python is you use the for keyword and the in keyword, and first you need to define your iterating variable. You can name it anything, I, j, k, whatever you like, and then you need to provide some sequence. So what does sequence mean? Sequence is any kind of data structure that we can iterate over. It could be a data structure or it could be your class if you have provide some iterable in that class. So I will cover that when we are going to cover classes. So I was before coming up with this video, I was thinking what to cover first, but I think as we have covered conditions in last video, so this is the obvious uh, next video. But some things we haven't still covered, like the various data structures in Python, list, dictionaries, tuple, set, or other data structures, but still I will give some idea here, and I guess you will be able to get a good idea from here. So this is the way for iterating variable in sequence. Then you provide colon as with every conditions, loops, class definition, method definition, and after that you provide some indentation and whatever you want to do here, some printing or some logic you want to write. So the first looping I will do using the range method. So what range method does, it gives you a sequence of values from the starting index till the last index minus one. So here I will be getting values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am just printing it out. I am not doing anything here. It is just for the sake to learn looping. So range is very useful in many scenarios, and also with range you can also provide some step value. So here the step value is 1, and here I am using step value of 3. So it will be providing uh, items like 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, only up to 12, not 15, and I'm printing it out here. So this is the one way of doing looping. Next, I am using the Lisp sequence. So list is a sequence type. So I will cover list in future videos, but just to give an idea how do you can create list, it is simple, like defining any other variable. You give it some variable name, and then you provide collection of items. You have to use square brackets, and inside that you can provide some items. So here I'm using string items, but you can provide numbers or booleans or anything, and list in Python can be heterogeneous. So it's not like that you only can define a string list or number list. It can be heterogeneous. I may use string here and some number here or anything like that. So for iterating over list, it's simple. You provide for, like in range method, for, so for, and your looping variable and your sequence type, and I'm printing, so it will print each element in this list. Similarly, dictionary is also a sequence type. We haven't covered dictionary yet, so but just to give a overview, so you can dictionary is a key value collection, like a hash map in Java if you come from Java background. So you can give it any variable name, and you have to use curly braces or parentheses, and inside that you can give key and a value pair separated with colon, and there could be more key value pairs and they are separated by commas. So this is a very brief idea about dictionaries. So I have defined a dictionary here called semi-shark, and I am iterating over this. So what I'm doing, I'm just getting the key, and you can access the value by using this notation, the variable name and the key with square parentheses. So this is how you iterate using for loop, and there is also one other way of looping. You can use the while loops also. So while is it will run continuously until it encounters some break condition or some exit condition. So what I'm doing here, so I am initializing a variable to nothing, some blank value, and I'm checking if password not equal to password string. So it will keep on looping or into this while loop. And so here I'm using method I haven't discussed till. So input, what input does it, it asks for some value from the command line. So I need to provide this uh, I need to provide the value here, and it will be stored in password. Again, the while loop will check whether the password value is equal to password or not, and if it's equal, then it will exit. So let me show you how to execute this source code. I'm already in the folder, the right folder. So I can write Python and loop py, my source file. So you can check. So the first is the we have used range. So range gives me 0 to 4. Then we are using range with step value. So as I told you that it gives me 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. And then we have used iteration over list. It will give me each element. Then we have also seen iterating over dictionaries in Python. So here you see that I'm iterating over the shark dictionary, and I'm printing key and the value. Value can be accessed using this notation. Then I am doing while loop. So you see that what is it is here, because in the uh, first iteration the password hasn't been is blank, and so condition is true and it is going there. So I can give it some password, random password, say king. It doesn't match, so it again loops. Anything else, it still doesn't match, so I give it password. The condition is met and it comes out of the loop. So this is all about loops. So there may be some things that I haven't covered. Let me know those, or if you have any questions, please post it in the comment section. Thank you very much.